Assemble the right side frame using one 1 3/4 inch flat tip screw. For quicker assembly, you can use a drill and 4mm hex bit in place of the provided 4mm T-handle hex key. Repeat step 1 to assemble the left side frame. Next, attach both side frames to the rocker bottoms using 4 3-inch screws. Attach both side frames to the seat using 6 1 3/4-inch flat tip screws. Next, attach the back to the seat and side frames using 2 1 3/4-inch flat tip screws and 2 3-inch screws. If you have questions or need any additional support, please feel free to contact us.